适应，适应。
Get used to. Adapt.
Get used to. Adapt.
你刚搬到这里，能适应这里的生活吗？你刚搬到这里，能适应这里的生活吗？
You just moved here. Can you adapt to life here?
You just moved here. Can you adapt to life here?
这里的人非常友好，我很快就适应了。这里的人非常友好，我很快就适应了。
The people here are very friendly, and I got used to it very quickly.
The people here are very friendly, and I got used to it very quickly.
当你出国留学时，你必须学会适应那里的生活环境。当你出国留学时，你必须学会适应那里的生活环境。
When you go abroad to study, you have to learn to adapt to the living environment there.
When you go abroad to study, you have to learn to adapt to the living environment there.
交，交。
To make friends.
To make friends.
他是我在旅行时新交的朋友。他是我在旅行时新交的朋友。
She is a new friend I made while traveling.
She is a new friend I made while traveling.
我们交朋友时必须小心。我们交朋友时必须小心。
We must be careful when we make friends.
We must be careful when we make friends.
表面上对你很好，背后却说你的坏话，这种朋友不能交。表面上对你很好，背后却说你的坏话，这种朋友不能交。
On the surface, they treat you well, but speak ill of you behind their backs. This kind of friend cannot be made.
On the surface, they treat you well, but speak ill of you behind their backs. This kind of friend cannot be made.
平时，平时。
Normal times. Usually.
Normal times. Usually.
他平时学习很努力，考试时一点也不紧张。他平时学习很努力，考试时一点也不紧张。
He usually studies very hard, and he is not nervous at all during the exam.
He usually studies very hard, and he is not nervous at all during the exam.
他今天的举动有点奇怪，他平时可不会这样的。他今天的举动有点奇怪，他平时可不会这样的。
Her behavior today is a bit strange. She doesn't usually behave like this.
Her behavior today is a bit strange. She doesn't usually behave like this.
为了掌握一门外语，学生平时需要记住更多的词汇并做更多的练习。为了掌握一门外语，学生平时需要记住更多的词汇并做更多的练习。
In order to master a foreign language, students usually need to memorize more vocabulary and do more exercises.
In order to master a foreign language, students usually need to memorize more vocabulary and do more exercises.
逛，逛。
To stroll. To roam.
To stroll. To roam.
我们每个周末都一起去逛街。我们每个周末都一起去逛街。
We go shopping together every weekend.
We go shopping together every weekend.
他每次去逛街都会买很多东西。他每次去逛街都会买很多东西。
Every time she goes shopping, she buys a lot of things.
Every time she goes shopping, she buys a lot of things.
时间还早，我们可以再去那儿逛逛。 时间还早，我们可以再去那儿逛逛。
It's still early, we can go there again.
It's still early, we can go there again.
短信，短信，
Text message.
Text message.
我刚刚给你发了一条短信，你收到了吗？我刚刚给你发了一条短信，你收到了吗？
I just sent you a text message, did you receive it?
I just sent you a text message, did you receive it?
收到了。这条短信是关于什么的？收到了。这条短信是关于什么的？
Got it. What is this message about?
Got it. What is this message about?
这条短信是关于下周末的同学聚会的。这条短信是关于下周末的同学聚会的。
This text message is about the class reunion next weekend.
This text message is about the class reunion next weekend.
请把这短信转发给其他同学。请把这短信转发给其他同学。
Please forward this message to other classmates.
Please forward this message to other classmates.
正好，正好，
Just right. Just in time.
Just right. Just in time.
那天我正好有空，不用加班，我可以参加聚会。那天我正好有空，不用加班，我可以参加聚会。
I happened to be free that day, and I didn't have to work overtime, so I could attend the party.
I happened to be free that day, and I didn't have to work overtime, so I could attend the party.
你来的正好，能帮我把这个盒子拿下来吗？你来的正好，能帮我把这个盒子拿下来吗？
You came just in time. Can you take this box down for me?
You came just in time. Can you take this box down for me?
家里的糖和鸡蛋都用完了。家里的糖和鸡蛋都用完了。
I have run out of sugar and eggs.
I have run out of sugar and eggs.
我正好要去超市，我去买吧。我正好要去超市，我去买吧。
I happen to be going to the supermarket. Let me buy it.
I happen to be going to the supermarket. Let me buy it.
谢谢观看。